perfection, you cannot do it just like that. There has to be perfection comes out of perfect things only. And perfect things always have a perfect clarity. So there is always a clarity that comes in action. So the clarity can be explained. This is how I am clear. So 189 is also a secret. But then the point is, 1,89,000. This mantra that we were chanting, Om Nama Yavas Yavasi Siyavasi Mana Nam Nam Yam Yam Nama Yam Tam Siyavasi Mana Nama Sivaya is also a mantra. There are so many variations in it, and this mantra can give you instant realization. This mantra, not the mantra. The mantra Namah Shivaya can give you instant realization. Problem is, banana is a very healthy fruit, but we do not value it as much as a mango, if you have noticed. Why? Because it is seasonal, and banana almost all round the year available. More availability, less value human mind gives. And that is the reason why we give value. अगर आपने देखा तो we want everybody, if you see, we want a car. The moment we buy a car, after 3 days, 4 days, we are not happy with it. We want a better car. Or 1 year, we enjoy the car, and after that we want a better car. Yes or no? Our mind never says happy with one thing. And mind never feels happy with what it has. Mind always craves what it needs. That is the reason why in Adhyatmikata they say इच्छाओं को, डिजायर्स को काटो. तो लोग गलत समझ जाते हैं कि बिना डिजायर के ऐसा जीना है. मेरा उद्देश्य समझा शायद. वो आध्यात्मिकता में कहते हैं कि आपके पास एक गाड़ी है तो आपकी माइंड 1 साल के बाद या कुछ लोगों को 3 दिन के बाद ही बोल देगा कि नया गाड़ी चाहिए. You understand? Now the variation stays from immediateness to 1 year, but still you will definitely need another car. Now the point I am trying to mention is, आध्यात्मिकता क्या कहती है? भैया तेरे पास जो है उससे तुम्हारी मन कभी खुश नहीं रहती है, और तेरे मन का 3 ही गुण है. वो है कुछ प्राप्त करने का गुण, कुछ संतुष्टि पाने का गुण, कुछ बनने का गुण. कुछ बनना, कुछ प्राप्त करना और कुछ संतुष्टि पाना तुम्हारी मन की निरंतर गुण है. तू कुछ भी बन जा, फिर भी तेरी मन बनने में, और कुछ भी बन जा, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन कैनॉट स्टे स्टैटिक. Cannot stay static. If it stays static, the atom collapses. Yes or no? No? So the point I am trying to tell you is, this mind unfortunately cannot stay static. If it stays static, the atom collapses, identity collapses, and infinite power is unleashed. So our electron never stays calm, it continuously moves. Once it comes to static stillness, infinite potential automatically is unleashed from within. Am I clear with you? So this mind has a continuous, constant movement, and in this movement, this mind always wants to become something, always wants something, always tries for gratification. So cut these 3 qualities in as one quality called desire, they say. Now what they are asking is, cut the mechanism of function. Do not cut desire. मतलब इसीलिए भगवान कृष्ण ने या इन लोगों ने आपको ऐसा बहुत सारा, they enjoyed the pinnacle of luxury, but इसीलिए भगवान कृष्ण भागवत में एक कहानी के ऊपर से he displayed this truth that उसने अपने गुरु को खाना देने को बोलता है तो दूर्वास महामुनि को, तो गोपिकाएं कृष्ण के लिए जो खाना लेके आए हैं वो सब दूर्वास महामुनि को देते हैं. तो दूर्वास महामुनि सारे गोपियों की खाना खा लेता है. खा लेने के बाद बोलता है कि अगर दूर्वास महामुनि ने दूर्वासा दर्भ, ग्रास कॉल्ड दूर्वासा, उसके सिवा कुछ भी नहीं खाया है तो ये यमुना साइड हटेगी, तो सच्ची में हट जाती है। तो ये गोपिका डरते हैं कि अभी तो हमारा खाना खाया है ना, हमने खिलाया है, तो घास खाया कैसा बोलता रहे, दूर्वासा घास। इट्स अबाउट दैट एटीट्यूड, desireless desire. Enjoying comforts is not actually against Adhyatmikata. Unfortunately, if you do not have a proper level of comfort, then you are not in Adhyatmikata. You understand? So desire, that mind has to be, the deconditioning has to be removed, and proper conditioning of alignment has to be replaced in its place. For that you need that Bijakshara Nama Sivaya. This in its own existence can give you that realization. So the second CD, Nama Sivaya, the Siva Nama Om Namah Sivaya, Bijakshara, the mantra was used. Siva Nama Om Namah Sivaya. This Bijakshara gives you a perfect static stillness of your particle consciousness with desireless desire action. This uncoupled with Om Zrim, Om Zrim, Om Zrim, Om Bhrim, Zrim, Zrim, Brim, Srim. This Bijakshara will actually demagnetize. Om Zrim, demagnetize. Om Bhrim brings condition, and Zrim, Bhrim, Srim demagnetize condition and perfection established Srim Bijakshara. Why Srim Bijakshara is perfection? There is a huge meaning to it. People say Tripura Sundari is Hrimkara Swarupini. Now, what is Tripura Sundari? I will explain actually this in my Sri Vidya classes, because in 2 days this is just a trailer. ये 2 दिन जो आपको मैं ट्रेलर दिखा रहा हूँ जैसा, ओरिजिनल तो मैं it takes, because it takes a series of initiations and mantra sadhana, and there is a discipline do exist. So in these 2 days I am just trying to serve you the way I can, and I am just trying to give you the taste. But in generally in Sri Vidya programs I explain what is Sri Vidya and how to use Sri Vidya in establishing perfect harmony in life. That is the reason why when I teach Sri Vidya, I teach this Suhasini Vidya a lot. In Sri Vidya, again, Suhasini Vidya is a subsection. In this, how actually, our basic relationships itself will build up a lot of stress over a period of time. And we do not, everybody wants Adhyatmikata, but everybody has stress creating role in every other person's life. You understand? There is a stress in between your wife and husband, in between mother and father, in between father and mother, and in between relatives, and there is complete stress between wife and husband, or a mental separation. Then the positive and negative pole of this current physical universe called male and female, if they do not have proper alignment, there is no true spiritual growth for husband or wife. There has to be, and there has to be a perfect balance. In a state of perfect balance itself, there is growth. So this is Suhasini Vidya of Sri Vidya, where you using the Maha secret mudras of the Sri Vidya, the Mahagupta Rahasyati. They say Sri Vidya is a Rahasya, and Maha Mantra is the Rahasya, they say. In 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 50 rupees book that are printed by certain publications, you get the Sri Vidya Bijakshara mantra. So, जो मंत्रा 50 रुपए की किताब में मिल जाती है, उसको तो रहस्य कैसे बोल सकते हो? है कि नहीं? लेकिन वो रहस्य है. ऐसा कैसा है तुम्हारे को सिर्फ वो पद का जो श्रेणी है बीजाक्षरों का सिर्फ वो मिलता है, लेकिन उसकी समझ नहीं मिलता है, क्योंकि वो रहस्याति रहस्य है। वो आज तक कोई किताब में किसी ने छपा ही नहीं है। उस श्री विद्या के बिंदु ऐसा है बोलते हैं। ऐसा क्यों है? श्री चक्र बिंदु ही क्यों है? ये त्रिकोण ही क्यों है? और हमारे अंदर इस बिंदु को हम कैसे समझ सकते हैं? ऐसे रहस्य कोई किसी ने समझाता ही नहीं है। और समझो ना मा सी वा या मंत्र बताया है, ना के बाद माँ क्यों आया है, माँ के बाद सी क्यों आया है? अगर ये सारे बीजाक्षर ही है तो वाई इज इन दिस ऑर्डर?